What's the meaning of cauliflower with cheese? Cauliflower with cheese. Cauliflower with cheese.
Cauliflower with cheese. Cauliflower with cheese. Cauliflower with cheese is a dish that consists of boiled or roasted cauliflower, typically cut into florets, and topped with a creamy cheese sauce. The cheese sauce is usually made from a combination of melted cheese, butter, and milk or cream. When cooked properly, the cauliflower should be tender and slightly crunchy, while the cheese sauce should be rich and flavorful, providing a perfect complement to the mild flavor of the cauliflower. This dish is popular among both vegetarians and non-vegetarians and can be served as a side dish or as a main course.